Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a short presentation about what we are going to be developing in this course. As you can see, this is the Laravel e-commerce website from A to Z, in which we are going to be learning how to build a complete e-commerce website by using the Laravel PHP framework. As you can see, this is the client side. And here you can see we are going to be learning how to create sliders, how to create products, how to create categories, how we can make the sliders dynamic. We're going to learn how we can integrate the Stripe system, the Stripe API in our application in order to hold the transaction by using the 7 credit cards. And if I try to scroll down, we're going to be learning how we can make, for example, this product dynamic, and as you can see here, how we can view, how we can display different products that we are going to be creating in the administrator side. And as I have just told you, this is the client side, and if I click, for example, here, I'm going to be redirected to the administrator side, in which I'm going to log in, for example, as administrator. Just click on login. And as you can see here, I'm going to be redirected to the dashboard, to the admin dashboard. And once I click, for example, on this button here, you're going to see I have my full name here. And I have also the logout button. Once I click, for example, on logout, I'm going to be redirected to the login page. So let us log in as administrator here. And as you can see, and let us back in our home page. And first of all, I'm going to show you how this application works. And this is our Stripe account. Once, for example, a purchase is accomplished, we're going to get our transaction here in our Stripe account. In this moment, as you can see, I have $3,350. And here I have my Gmail account that I'm going to be using in order to purchase, for example, a product in this website. And the desire is by integrating our mailing system in our Laravel project to get the invoice of the clients once purchasing, for example, a product. So let us back in our home page here, and here I can click on shop page. So I'm going to be redirected to the shop page in which I can view products by category, as you can see. And here, for example, we have all. If you click on all, you're gonna view all products that we have. And if you click on vegetable, for example, we're gonna view only these products. But if I try to click on fruits, and I'm gonna view these products, as you can see, apple. And we are going to be learning also in our projects how we can activate, for example, in the unactivate product. As you can see, if I try to click on all here, I have only 2 products. And let us back in our dashboards, in our administrator side here. Here with the creation button, we are going to be creating categories by clicking on add categories. We are going to be creating products by setting the product name, setting the product price, selecting categories that we have already created, and selecting also image. And we are going to be creating the sliders by putting the first description, the second description, and selecting also the image. After that, we are going also to learn how we can view different categories that we are going to be creating. And then I can edit, for example, a category. I can click on update. I can delete, and I'm going to click on cancel. I can view different products I have already created. And as you can see here, we have the image of our product. We have the product name. We have the product price. We have the category, as you can see. And as you can see, for this first product, the status is unactivated. Reason why, if we click on all, we don't see this product. And we can edit, as you can see here, by clicking on edit. So I'm gonna click on updates. You can click on updates. You can delete, for example, and here, if I want, for example, to activate this product, and then I'm going to click on activate, you're going to see the status is tending to activate it. And if I try to make in my shop page, just click on all, you should see I'm gonna get this product appearing here. So this is what we are going to be developing during this course, step by step, from the novice level to the master level. And here, let us try first of all how this application works. And I'm gonna add, for example, a product to cart. Just click on it. Here you're gonna see I have one here. If I try to add another product, I'm gonna have two. If I try to add the third product, I'm gonna get three. And if I try to click on login on cart, please, and as you can see, I have all products here, and I can increase, for example, the quantity. Just click on updates. Let us see here. We're gonna have $450. I can decrease and click on updates. I'm gonna get one here, and with this price, I can also remove a product from my item. As you can see, in this moment, I have two products, and this is the product name, the product image, the product price, and the quantity, as you can see. And after that, the thing we're gonna do is to click on proceed to checkout. Let us click on proceed to checkout, and by integrating the mailing system in our project, if you want to purchase, for example, something, if you want to be redirected to the checkout page, first of all, you need to log in by setting your Gmail account. And as you can see, this is the Gmail account I'm going to be using during this course in order to get the information, to get, for example, the message of my purchase. And here, as you can see, I'm using nkele@gmail.com. And here I'm gonna log in as nkele@gmail.com, and I have already created an account. Otherwise, if you don't have an account, just click on sign up. You are going to be redirected to the sign up page. Then you can create an account. And here I'm gonna select this, click on login. As you can see here, I'm gonna have logout. So if I back to my cart here and click on proceed to checkout, then I'm going to be redirected to the checkout page. So let us look at in our Stripe account. In this moment, we have $1,350. So let us back here to fill different informations about our billing details. And here I'm going to be putting my full name. And as you can see here, I'm gonna put the name on card, as you can see. And here I'm gonna put the credit card number. Yes, as you can see here. And here I'm gonna put a valid expiration month, a valid expiration year, a CVC code, as you can see here. And if I try first of all to back on my in my administrator side, if I try first of all to click on sliders, we are going also to activate slider, unactivate, edit or delete. And here, if I click, for example, on orders, we are going to be displaying different orders of our clients. In this moment, we don't have any order. So let us back in our checkout page. After filling different information, so let us see here we have the total price is $250. So we are gonna get here, what we're gonna get here, we're gonna get $1,600. So let us back here and just click on buy now. So let us rate here. As you can see, the process is there. Let us rate with %. Very good. As you can see here, we have this message saying the purchase accomplished successfully. And if we try to come in our Gmail account, we have received an email, and if we click on it with the subject purchased products, if I click on it, I'm gonna have the invoice of my purchase. As you can see here, I have all details. And if I try to back in my Stripe account, as you can see, very good. I'm gonna have $1,600. Very simple and very clear. And if I try to back in my administrator side and reload the orders, you're gonna see I have a new order with this client name. The address is there, the card is there, and this is the payment ID from Stripe. And if I try to click on view, I'm going to convert this card to a PDF file, and then I can download this invoice and print it. So let us back here And as you can see, this is what we are going to be learning during this course. You don't need to have a great level in programming, you need just to have a basic level in programming. And if you are passionate, we are going to build this project step by step, as you can see here. And I ask you to enroll in this course. We are going to begin to learn the basic lessons of Laravel. And after that, we're going to record this project, this e-commerce project, in which we're going to integrate the APS, right? The Stripe API, in which we're going to also integrate the mailing system. And as you can see, so I ask you to enroll in this course, and we're going to record our course, our project, in the next video. Goodbye.